welcome back to another video. It is your girl Forever Tati, and today I'm trying out some more contacts from the company HAPAKRISTIN. I have 5 colors to share with you guys. If I have a coupon code, which I believe I do, I'll put it right here on the screen and also in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, follow me on Instagram at pixie.eyes_. If that's correct, I'll put it here also in the description box. I'll be posting videos of the contact lenses up close in the natural daylight, me wearing them, out and about. You guys can DM me if you have questions, and if you order, you can also tag me in your pictures. I think that'll be so cute to see how you guys look in yours and how you rock them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the video. Bye.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Alright guys, so that was a try on haul. Don't forget to check out HAPAKRISTIN on Instagram. They are doing a coloring book campaign. I hope you guys could see that. But basically, if you color your instruction guide, you can enter in for a chance to win 5 pairs of contact lenses. I'll put some pictures of other people who have entered. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, never let anyone make you feel anything less than beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.